Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you two methods of how to download Instagram stories with music intact. It's quick, easy, and works perfectly. Let's get started. Method 1. Screen recording method. The first method is using your phone's built-in screen recorder. Open your Instagram app and find the story you want to save. Swipe down or access your phone's control center to start the screen recorder. Play the story and let it run completely. Stop the recording when the story finishes. Now go to your gallery and you'll find the saved story with music. You can edit and trim it as needed. Method 2. Using third-party apps or websites. The second method is using apps or online tools. Open the Instagram story and copy its link by tapping the three dots on the top right corner. Go to a trusted website like type in Google Chrome search bar, Instagram Story Downloader. Paste the link into the downloader, hit the download button, and save the story. Make sure you only use reliable apps or websites to keep your data safe. A quick reminder, always get permission before downloading someone else's story, and avoid tools that ask for your Instagram login details. That's it. Now you know how to download Instagram stories with music effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.